Hey, welcome back, Math Gurus. Today's video, we're going to learn how to simplify fractions. Let's go ahead and get started. So our first example is 16 over 20. So because I know they're both even numbers, that means they're both divisible by 2. So meaning I can divide the top number and the bottom number by 2. So my new numerator would be 8 and my new denominator would be 10. I know those are both even, meaning I can divide again both by top and the bottom by 2, your numerator and your denominator. Half of 8 is 4, half of 10 is 5. If you decided to divide 16 and 20 both by 4, that would work. I'm just showing a way that makes more sense to my students in the classroom. Let's go to our next example. 21 over 35. So you're looking for a number that can go into 21 and can divide into 35 without a remainder. 2 doesn't work and neither does 3. 3 would only work for 21. However, I know 3 times 7 is 21, and I know that we can divide the top and the bottom number, which is your numerator and denominator, by 7. This is why it's so important to learn our times tables. 21 divided by 3 will give us 21 divided by 7 equals 3. And then 35 divided by 7 is equal to 5. There is no more numbers that can go into 3 and 5. They're both prime numbers. So there's nothing they can go into both of them and to make the number smaller. So we're done. This is our final answer. And just keep in mind, 3/5 is equivalent to 21 over 35. Anytime I divided the top and the bottom number by the same number, I should have mentioned on the other example that they're all equivalent. The fractions are. So for our final example is 32 over 40. I recommend you pause the video, work it out yourself, and then come back and check. All right, so for this example, we're going to divide them both by 2. And the reason I chose 2 is because they're both even. And then half of 32 is 16. Half of 40 is 20. And we know those are still even, so we can divide again by 2. Half of 16 is 8. Half of 20 is 10. We're not done. We're going to go again. They're both even, and meaning you can split them in half again. Half of 8 is 4. Half of 10 is 5. So 4/5, 8, 10, 16, 20, and 32 over 40 are all equivalent fractions. So 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. So if you wanted to know, your greatest common factor is 8. I don't think it really matters how you get to 4/5 as long as you get there. All right, well, thanks for watching. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe.